Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I wanted to show you some of the new things that we got in the store this week. Now, I know this is not everyone's cup of tea. A lot of people don't like, sorry about that glare there. A lot of people don't like it when I post up videos of hauls that we got in the store, but a lot of people like to see the new product up close. It's a lot different looking at it in a picture as it is looking at it on the camera, where you can see and I can kind of move it around. So if this is not your cup of tea, I understand. You don't even have to watch this video. But if this is something that you like to watch, I appreciate it. And if you'll leave a comment below about how you like these videos, or if this is helpful for you to know whether you want to purchase it or not, I would appreciate that. Okay, Nouveau. We got in the craft spoons, and I want you to look at this. It's got the little spoon on that end. Sorry about the glare. And then it's got a little scoop thing on this end. And this, what this is for, is when you go down into those glitter bottles or sequin bottles or whatever to scoop those up. You can scoop them up with this instead of having to try to pour them out and then you get too much or whatever. I absolutely love mine. To make shaker cards, this is ideal because you can scoop them up in there and just put it right down in that little plastic for the shaker cards. Wonderful product. And it's very inexpensive too. So we got those in. Also from Nouveau, they've got the 4 packs of, this is the glitter and then the sequins here. This is called Cross My Heart. Contains 4 glass bottles of glitter. And what is good about this, after you use up all this glitter, you've still got 4 very nice glass bottles. So that is fantastic. And those are a pretty good size bottle. But this glitter is wonderful. I want to show you some of it up close. Look at that. And I'm not a big glitter girl. I love to use glitter in my shaker cards. But I think that is beautiful. Okay, so that one again is Cross My Heart, and it has, let's see if I can read these, Scarlet Red, Diamond, okay, on the back, Edith, Scarlet Red, Diamond, Candy Pink, and Hot Pink in there. And then this is another glitter, and this one's called Peacock Feathers. This contains turquoise, green meadow, purple organza, and aqua. So there are those. Isn't that aqua beautiful? Oof. And I love that turquoise. You know I like anything tealish. Isn't that beautiful? So that. And then these are the sequins. This one's called Golden Years. It's got light gold, diamond, rose gold, and silver. And those are the sequins. All of these are fantastic for those shaker cards that we all love to make. Alright, we got those in. I'm going to set that off to the side just a little bit. Okay, and then from Authentique, which I love Authentique paper. I don't know about you, but from Authentique we got in Sea Maiden. That is the name of it right there, Sea Maiden. And I'm going to show you this. Now we got in the 12x12 paper pad or the collection kit or the 6x6. So let's see, the collection kit, 16 double-sided papers and coordinating accents in that. And then the 6x6, you get 12 designer patterns of paper, double-sided. But I'm going to show you this one because it's easier to open. So like everyone is doing now, on the back they give you a little bit of a bonus there. So you could cut these out and use them if you wanted to. Isn't that nice? Then here we go. These cutouts. I love this. I must be a mermaid. I have no fear of depth and a great fear of shallow living. I love it. But I love anything to do with the beach. And then look at that. Isn't that pretty? Sorry about I've got some shadows this morning and I don't know why. But looks like you get 3 of each design. Love this wood grain. That's very pretty. And then there's the back of that. See if I can show you without having to move it too much. It's the back of that one. And then there is that one. These are so pretty. And then there's the back with the little mermaids swimming around. And then this one with the little shells and the seaweed and that kind of thing on there. There's that one, the back of it. And then here's this one and the back, and that just looks like a lot of sand. That's so pretty. And there's that one. That's really pretty. Looks like a mosaic glass. And then there's the back of that one. Isn't that pretty? And there's that one. And the back. Looks like the scales on the fish. And then we have this one. And the back of that. Isn't that beautiful? So again, that is SWME Maiden, and we have the 6x6, the collection kit, or the paper pad. The paper pad has, let's see if we see on here, the paper pad has 24 sheets in it, and then I've told you about the collection kit and the 6x6. So that's SWME Maiden. So let's move that one over. And then we have this is from Echo Park, the Have Faith collection, and I showed you, I think, the 6x6 that I've been working out of. I showed that in a video yesterday, I do believe, or day before. So I love this paper. It is so pretty. But I will go ahead and show the 12x12 just so that you can see it a little bit better. Sorry about the crinkling. I should have taken this out before. So this is Have Faith from Echo Park. Look at that. All I need is a little bit of coffee and a whole lot of Jesus. I love that. That is so pretty. These would be good. This would be good for a mini album. Look at that. There's the back. Let's see if I can get that down in frame a little bit better. And then there's that one in the back. That one on the back of that. These just have some really pretty colors put together that I would not have normally put together, but once they're put together on the paper like this, it's so pretty. Like this deep, almost a burgundy kinda. It's a real deep pink, and with that mint looking green. That is so pretty. So just imagine this in a mini album that you can give out to Mom for Mother's Day. She would absolutely love this. Isn't that gorgeous? And you can even use these down here on the bottom. You know, cut those and use them. I use every little scrap of paper I can get when I like a paper. I use all of them. I cut these and use them for borders and things. And then I love those churches. Those are so pretty. The bicycles are really, really popular right now, and that is cute as it can be. And then these little jars with the flowers coming out of them, isn't that cute? And each one of them says something different. Trust, faith, hope, amen, love, pray, joy, kind. So pretty. Alright, and then there is a sticker sheet. So that is gorgeous as well. Alright, that again is from Echo Park, and it is called Have Faith. Something that we all need a whole lot more of, right? And you can get the matching, whoops, got that stuck to that. You can get the matching coordinated solids, and the ephemera. And then, of course, I showed you the 6x6. So that is the Have Faith collection from Echo Park. Okay, this is from Carta Bella, and it's called Passport. And it is coming up on vacation time for everybody. Cruises, travel, all that kind of stuff. So this is a great one for that. 12 by 12 double-sided textured paper and 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. So the paper is textured. So look at that. Looks like all those tags that you get from everywhere you go. And there's the back side. It's like the geo, I guess. Geo pattern. I don't know what that is. And then the luggage. These are really textured. I love that. They feel so good. There's that one. World Traveler. That would be really good. Just send that postcard back to family from somewhere. There's the luggage on the back side. And then this one with the stamps from all over. And the back side of that. Ooh, my camera doesn't like that, does it? And then there is that one. That is neat. And that, oh, that's nice. You could use that and just use it in a travel journal and just write down everywhere that you go. That's so neat. I like that. Flight plan. And then there's that one. And the back side. That's pretty. That's really pretty. And then look at that. The world map. Kinda. Part of it. And that. And then you have this. Oops. Oh, look at that. Hawaii, yes, I want to go. Miami, New York, Italy, Europe, Tokyo, Hawaii, coast to coast on a Ameritrack, California, Spain, London, Greece, and Europe. And then you have your sticker sheets. It's JFK, Air America, all kinds of things on here. Very pretty. Okay, that again is the from Carta Bella, and it's called Passport. And you can also get the 6x6 in this and the ephemera. And I'm thinking we have the enamel dots in this one as well. I don't think I brought them over here, but I think we do. Okay, that's from Carta Bella, Passport. And then from Kaisercraft, we have Memory Lane. And I'm going to show you the paper pad, but we also have the collection kit and the 6.5 by 6.5, and then we have the ephemera as well. But I'm going to show you the paper pad just because it's a little bit easier. You get 48 sheets in this. Now this one is single-sided, but the collection kit is double-sided. So we'll show you these. You get, looks like 2 of each design. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty. I love that. These are some really pretty papers. I love that lace pattern. And then that's really pretty. More of that brick work with the flowers down here. That's gorgeous. Wood grain. So it has a little bit of everything in it, and that's nice. I like that. More wood grain. Then you have your cutouts in the back right there. Life is better with you. You are amazing. You are special. You are unique. You are loved. And that one. And then look at those doors. Aren't they pretty? That would look pretty just to cut those and use those on the front of a mini album. Then you'd have it right there. That's so pretty. And then more of the cutouts. More wood grain. Love that too. And there is that one. And I think, no, we got one more. And that one right there. That is it. And that again is from Kaisercraft, and it is called Memory Lane. And as I said, you can get the collection kit that has the sticker sheet in it and the ephemera. And it's just tons and tons of good things in there. Okay guys, I think that is it for now. I can't remember if we got anything else in new or not. I'm not sure. I've put some of the things away. Some of the things I've already shipped out. But I will put all the links to these products below so that you can go over and check them out if you want to. And please don't forget to click that button. Click my face right up here. Just hit my face really hard. And go over and subscribe, and then click that little bell so that you'll be notified when we put up new videos. We've got more tutorials coming out. We are a little bit laxed on our tutorials because we're working so hard to get our prototypes ready for the Maiden Con in September. We have to have those back to May by next week. So we're working hard to get those ready. And they're just out of the camera here so that you can't see them because they have to be a surprise. But watch for that. I think the 3rd, all of those classes are going to be posting up. There'll be limited space in each class, so make sure that you're ready. Go over there and grab your classes before they're all gone. And we will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.